Hey guys, we love a challenge, so here we go. Here is a refrigeration truck turned motorhome. Now I just have to be silent for a second because you got to take that in. How beautiful was that solar installation? Now, as you can see inside, this is a work in progress. So about a month ago, we did a rough-in for this customer. Now have a look here. That's where we've put the multi-control for the inverter, as well as all the switching for inside the motorhome is there. That's a 12-volt television. There's also Sirocco fans and lighting throughout that have all been wired to be able to be used off the inverter. So this customer can go off-grid. Another Sirocco there, but inside here is the battery compartment with the inverter and fusing, and just have a look because this is where the magic happens. So underneath there, you can't see it because it's sealed, is the battery compartment with two 280 custom lithium batteries. Here are the 250 solar controllers. They're the Victron ones there. And below that is a 40 amp REDARC DC-DC. Now, honestly, I know I say this every time, but they have done such a great job. How good?